my.
I love that for you, Tikki. Clap yourself, baby. Thank God.
Daddy,
I
thank you,
love that
baby.
for you.
Hello?
Oh.
Mama, thank you for the heart me. Thank you, guys. Everybody who has sent heart me, thank you. Why, Tikki?
No, that's nothing.
So, guys, chat, let's ask you a question. A Trev got the number for you? Trev exposed Rose number a while ago for you? Happy thank you, please.
So if you was calling me number, expose the number. Me not make no place for them have a long clout, you know. Me have a time 10 toes done for him.
Thank you, Shana.
Why Rosalie calling phone?
Yeah, boy, why?
You can't do anything.
Yeah, why Rosa call over phone?
So if he calling phone, if
Me don't understand what's the word.
Hello?
Jamaica, thank you.
Who? Big up to mommy.
in this life, my child's are chimney.
Hey, the people that might comment tonight.
Vani me keep on TikTok gradation and I graduate too.
Yeah. The people that might comment Rose tonight. Thank you, guys. Rose, I forgot to turn off your phone.
No, I'm not turn off my phone, you know. I'm not turn off my blood clot phone.
Yo, if I want thing, me know the people that might go piss your blood clot.
I'm not turn off my phone. No, just dial back the number. Chat, dial back the number, yeah. 9295. Dial back the number, yeah. 929 529 3606. Dial it back for me, please.
Then can't go get you Rosalie.
Okay.
Only for WhatsApp and then delete WhatsApp. My cousin like you can't make you one wheel. You sit and you one wheel to them.